Hey guys, I want to get on here today and show you a couple products, maybe more than that. But anyway, here we go. I showed you the Dream Coat, the spray that I do when I want to straighten my hair. Well, I got the Wow Color Dream Coat for curly hair in, and this is what it turned out. I washed my hair with I don't have any rhyme or reason what shampoos I use. Sometimes I use an expensive, and usually I'm using just very not that expensive shampoos and conditioner. I wash my hair really good with shampoo. I wash my hair every day, or if not every other day. Um, but I found out that if I leave my conditioner on, no matter what kind of conditioner it is, leave it on while I finish in the shower, just let that be the last thing and then rinse it out, it does a lot better. So that's why I think my hair is the way it is. There's a little place there, but my hair is very natural curly, as you can see. Um, it can be very, very frizzy and very, very fly away if I don't do something to it. So this Dream Coat for curly hair, I like it. I like it. Let me tell you what I did. After I washed my hair, I'm probably repeating myself. Uh, Towel dry it. I have one of those little turby twists I put my hair up in. Then I combed it out straight. I sprayed this in for curly hair, the Wow for curly hair. When I was through with that, I wanted to dry a little bit. It seemed like it was drying pretty quick with that in it, but I used this speed dry, and I didn't dry it with a diffuser or anything. I just started scrunching it, and I scrunched and I scrunched and I scrunched, and this part was really curly, so I took my Revlon, this that I had shown you before, this brush. By the way, this brush, I love it, love it, love it, but it's so loud that I have to use earplugs. I use these earplugs. I hate that I have to do that, but I want to save my ears. It's just the way I am. If you don't mind the noise, go ahead and use it. But I do love it. And I don't know, it's just one of those things you just love, and that. But I just did my bangs to get them straighter. That's all I did. After that, I took this Avita Brilliant. It's anti sort of pomade, and I've shown you this before. And I just take just enough in my hand. I leave it upside down so I don't have to put my fingers down in it, so it just stays the top at the top. That's a tip, y'all. Put it on like this. You don't have to put your fingers down in it, and it'll come to, and you just can rub it. Can you see that? Just rub it. I've had this forever. And then I take it like this, and then I piece my hair. I just piece it. Little pieces, even in my bangs, I just pieced it. So that's what I do. So it works for me. I'm really glad I got the curly one. I really do like this one when I straighten my hair. It's the Supernatural Spray. And then this is for curly hair. And this is the Speed Dry. Wow, all three of them are wow. This is not a sponsored video. I just love their product. Avita, I always love their products. So I've enjoyed this pomade, and I've had this forever. Sometimes I look on the bottom, and I've put a date to see how, but I didn't put a date on this one. Okay, one more thing. As you know, I've been using these Neutrogenas forever. I get the big boxes at Costco. They have those little tiny ones that you can travel as well. Well, I was watching one of my YouTube buddies, and they were talking about Honest Beauty, and these are, I ordered them online, and they're, let's see if I have anything to tell you about them. They're blended with grapeseed and olive oils to soften and nourish. It has made without parabens. I cannot read this, sorry. But anyways, it's not tested on animals. Sorry. I'll have to let you know about this. I'm not sure yet. My Neutrogena gets all my stuff off. I never have a problem getting my makeup off. But the day I used this, I went back with this and got more makeup off. So I'm out on this one yet, but I'll let you know. Maybe I wasn't paying more attention to around my eyes or whatever, but I will let you know. The Honest, I'll let you know. This one I love, as you know. So hopefully I will love this one as much. Okay, guys, I guess that's it. That's my little things that I love for the week. I hope you have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you until tomorrow. It's been one of those days.